Mate. Sorry, brother.
Okay.
You alright, brother? Where you from?
I'm from Liverpool.
Oh, really? I've just come from Manchester.
Ah, we must be brothers.
You're not sick, are you? Did I hear a cough?
Oh, yeah, honestly, a little bit.
You are?
A tiny bit, yeah.
Okay, well.
So,
I'm leaving.
yeah, I would honestly stay away from me.
He's coughing.
Yeah, I've got a cough.
You wanna do
Yeah.
I would recommend
I
it,
do not
honestly.
want to catch anything.
Sorry about that,
No,
guys.
that's okay. I'd rather move than get sick.
Yeah, you, for real.
Honestly, now you can go back to your gambling.